subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi, this is Divya Agarwal और मैं आपके साथ करने वाली हूँ 33 questions with India Forums. Parties में रणबीर कपूर तो आना ही चाहिए ना, मतलब he is so good looking and a party starter. I guess Ranbir Kapoor. I can be very moody at times. At times I would just nag for some of the smallest things which is not required, and then my friends and family, they keep reminding me that you can't behave this way. So this is one of my secrets. And that happens every day at my house. Varun keeps pranking me and I hate it. I just hate it. He's got this very bad, weird mask which he puts on, and when I'm sleeping, he would just come near me and with that mask, and it's very scary.
Divya Agarwal, who is loved by a bunch of her fans for her amazing stints in reality shows and acting skills, chatted with us, and here we asked her 33 questions. Let's roll and find out more. What do you like to do on a day off?
On a day off, sit in my pajamas, चाय, और अगर मैं डाइट पे नहीं हूँ तो मैं भजिए भी खाना चाहूँगी और अच्छी खासी वेब सीरीज या मूवी कुछ अच्छा देखूँ.
One thing you've tried but will not recommend others to try?
To never try. Something that I've done and I don't want anybody to try. Maybe reality shows.
Weirdest thing that you've done?
Weirdest thing I've ever eaten. जब मैंने पहली बार वसाबी खाया था इसके साथ डिमसम्स के साथ, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा था, but then eventually I got taste.
One celebrity whose Instagram game you love?
Priyanka Chopra.
Number of hair ties you lose in a week?
I should be answering 10 in a day.
Your go-to party outfit?
Go-to party outfit, for every party I like something comfortable. ये जो मैंने पहना है बिल्कुल comfortable नहीं है, पर mostly I like comfortable clothing in parties also.
The most eventful day in your life?
I think all my memories with my dad would be the answer.
If you have to jump in a pool full of something, what will it be?
Full of flowers?
What kind of flowers you love?
Any flowers. I should just like it should be colorful and smell wonderful. That's it.
If you could take photograph of one moment from your life, what will it be?
Photograph would be the time when I won Indian Princess, one of the Miss India pageants, and national anthem बजा था तब अच्छा लगा. So I think that.
One thing about your profession you wish to change?
The outlook of people towards us. I mean, just because we are celebrities, हमें हमेशा right होना चाहिए, should be not. No, that should. I think I want to change that. We also can make mistakes, and people shouldn't be harsh on us so much.
One project where you enjoyed the most on set?
I think when I did Woot के साथ, when I did On Road with Roadies, I think that was the time when हम लोगों ने इंडिया का नॉर्थ ईस्ट एक्सप्लोर किया था, and we had lot of fun with locals and food, and हमने काफी मजे किए थे. I think that is one of the most fun works I've ever done.
Your best friend forever?
I think my best friend forever would be Varun. Obviously, everybody knows that. Yeah.
One dish you always order while eating out?
Hummus.
One thing TV has but music video does not, and vice versa.
One thing TV has and music video doesn't. I think some energy. I don't know. Music, obviously, it's different. It has a different vibe, different energy, and dancing with the singers and the troupe and dancers gives you a different feel. Whereas TV can be different.
If you had to get a pet right now, what will it be?
I recently got a pet. I guess you all should know I own a horse. So I think that horse is such a baby. तो मैं उसको अपना pet ही समझती हूँ. So yeah, her name is Iris.
Scariest thing you've ever done?
Scariest thing was in one of my shows and one of my anchoring shows when I was hosting something international in Bulgaria. वहाँ पे हमें एक गोट का ध्यान रखना था 3 दिन के लिए. उसका मैंने दूध निकाला है, उसका ख्याल रखा है, उसकी combing की है. I think that is one of the scariest thing what I've done. But eventually I got comfortable with it.
If you host a party, who will be the 3 people you will invite?
House party. I think parties में सबसे बढ़िया रहता है रणबीर कपूर तो आना ही चाहिए ना, मतलब he is so good looking and a party starter. I guess Ranbir Kapoor and Ranveer Singh, and I love Priyanka Chopra, so I would love her to be there.
If you had to plan a pamper day itinerary for yourself, what will it be?
Pamper itinerary. That will be a day in the spa, full of aromatic massages और ये सारा ताम झाम. I really like spas, so I think one relaxing spa day would be great.
One thing you're dying to do right now.
Leave. I want to go home. I haven't slept since 3 days actually. I was shooting and मैं genuinely चाहती हूँ कि मैं घर चले जाऊँ.
The weirdest haircut you've tried.
Oh my god, when I was a dancer, I had the most craziest haircuts and hairdos and hair colors. Name the color, I've done every color on my hair. Purple, yellow, orange, red. So yeah.
What would your perfect room look like?
I like boho decor. I like very boho and very breezy. Sunlight अच्छी होनी चाहिए room में.
Your shopping is not complete without buying.
I try to buy more accessories nowadays. So yeah, accessories would be the thing.
An art form you wish to learn now.
Art forms, there are many, but I'm learning one art form which is MMA and I'm quite enjoying it and I think हर लड़की को करना चाहिए यार, बहुत मजा आता है.
A Netflix show you wish to be a part of.
I wish to be a part of. I think I really like Emily in Paris. I really like the vibe of the show. It was so colorful. It was all about influencing. So I would love to be the Emily.
A secret about you which no one knows.
That I can be very moody at times. At times I would just nag for some of the smallest things which is not required, and then my friends and family, they keep reminding me that you can't behave this way. So this is one of my secrets.
Most interesting place you've ever visited.
Prague. That would be Prague, and I went to Prague for one of my best friend's wedding, and वो वहीं की है, and I really enjoyed the culture, the place. So Prague it is.
Best thing that happened to you last week.
Last week, I got paid for something after a very long time, and I started off with 2021, and it was a great start, and yeah. So I think I got एक payment मिली जो बहुत time से रखी हुई थी, so I was very happy last week.
Last time you got pranked or you pranked someone.
And that happens every day at my house. Varun keeps pranking me and I hate it. I just hate it. He's got this very bad, weird mask which he puts on, and when I'm sleeping, he would just come near me and with that mask, and it's very scary. I hate such pranks.
A job you always wanted to try.
So I really wanted to try out being a chef. Because I love cooking, मुझे बहुत पसंद है flavors को mix करना, ये सब करना. तो I think if I wasn't an actor or a dancer or an influencer, I would have been a chef.
If you were an animal, which one would you be?
Dogs.
If you had to get stuck with two celebrities in an elevator, who will they be?
I think Ranveer Singh and Hrithik Roshan.
Have you crushed on a fictional movie character? If yes, who?
So many. There are so many I could name. So there's this series called Jane the Virgin. Usme there's this character called Raphael. I really love his personality. Then I like Money Heist ke sare characters. The minute I saw everybody, I started following each and every. So I am an obsessive girl who gets crazy behind the characters.
If you could know the absolute truth to one question, what will it be?
I think it's how would you like to live your life? It's just the truth. Everything, whatever happens for a reason. So I already know the answer. It's just a little surprising.
Hope you enjoyed this one.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed these questions. Yeah, some of the questions I just flunked because I wasn't prepared. But it's always good to be at India Forums, and thank you so much for this. And I'm gonna run back for my shoot.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
This is Divya Agarwal. You guys are watching us at India Forums, and see you very soon.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with Divya. If you did, do comment and tell us. Ashima Chavda, camera person Dipesh Mali, India Forums, Mumbai.